What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. You guys, look behind me. This thing's finally out of its resting place that it's been here for the past almost 3 months, I want to say. We're pushing it out now. We are waiting for the tow truck to arrive to get this thing loaded. We are going to be taking it to the fab guy to get all the intercooler piping done. Guys, check this out. This thing hasn't seen the sunlight in a while, especially hood and fenders that's finally mounted. Still missing the lip. We're waiting to get here. Either way, you know, to get on the tow truck it's a pain, so it's better that it's off. But look how much nicer the thing looks, man. We got brand new turn signals. I believe we got new headlights coming. This over here has got a little scuff over here, so Robert wanted to change them out. Let's see here. We don't have the hood shocks on because we're gonna get the bases powder coated, so that's why I'm holding the hood, guys. But check this out, guys. This thing looks so much nicer in the daylight, man. The sun hasn't hit it in a while. Yeah, this red definitely pops in the sun. Yeah, guys, remember when it comes back from the powder coating, I mean from fab work, it's gonna go get powder coated. Most of the stuff I'm not sure exactly what we do. I know we're doing the turbo cover. That's gonna be polished, but that's gonna be later on after the car is all set and running. We'll take it apart and just send it out to get polished. And yeah, let's get this thing loaded on the tow truck, guys. Yeah, let me close the hood. Emblems are coming, by the way. He has them already, we just haven't put them on. That's small little details, there's nothing big. And I confirmed it with him. He's definitely gonna go back to all the OEM emblems. We took this red cover or red tape that was on here on the third brake light. He didn't even notice it was there. I was like, man, it's white on there. He saw mine, he goes, oh yeah, take it off. So he's got the Supra turbo emblem here that's gonna be put on. The previous owner deleted the little holes where this one goes here, but we're gonna line it up and put on the OEM Toyota logo here and the Toyota badge over here. So yeah, so he's gonna be looking very, very sharp, guys. This is nice, man. Check out that PHR full titanium exhaust. That thing looks pretty nice, man. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of like it better than the Tomei. Look wise, guys, it's very big, mean, aggressive looking. Once I hear this thing turn on, that might be the deciding factor for me. I may switch out, not gonna lie. it fits there right. The Tomei is kind of small, skinny, and long. But if this one, if you hear that nice, that titanium pitch, I might pull the plug on this, guys. I like it. With the drag wheels, it looks nice. It's very lifted in the back right now, so suspension wise, it still needs to get adjusted. Still needs a good alignment, but yeah. Spacers as well too, guys. We might have to do a little smaller. The front is kind of poking out a lot. He does have a big brake kit, but there's clearance there, so we might be able to get that spacer maybe like another 1/4 inch down. It might help out with the clearance. Alright, guys, he's getting strapped down on the tow truck. Richard Towing, guys, local guy. If anybody needs towing, guys, give him a call. Super old school guy, doesn't have any social media. He's actually my buddy's father, so he's definitely gonna be towing Supras around for a while. I put some tape on it inside and outside, kind of just for like extra protection, so it doesn't scratch the paint. You know, just better peace of mind. Put some on this side too. I can't get over how nice this car looks, man. Alright, off to the fab guy. So I'm following along in my mom's Accord. This thing looks just ridiculous, man. That PHR exhaust, man, just everything feels really nice. All right, got the Supra finally in. We're about to lift it up on the lift. Kind of go over all the materials. I know I just noticed I didn't really go over what we're doing. But we're doing vibrant HD clamps. This is what is this? This is 3-inch. This one's gonna go down there on the elbow. Once we do the elbow down here, we're gonna put on a clamp here. Over there on the windshield, we have a 5-inch. It's gonna be here for the front of the turbo. So we get rid of this coupler there. Kind of looks out of place. It makes it look kind of a little not too appealing. So I think the clamp will look a lot better. And then this is the adapter from Vibrant for the drive-by wire, which is already 3.5. So we're just gonna finish it off here. Air temp sensor with the bung probably under the apron, so you don't even see it. And the rest of the piping, guys. So that should be pretty straightforward. Obviously time consuming. But yeah, I'll keep checking in as we go along. Yeah, I gotta get some stuff done, so maybe when I come back we'll be pretty much done. So, but yeah, take a look at it now before she starts doing work. Got all the materials lined up here, bunch of 90s and 45s and stuff. Remember, I'm not gonna stick around to capture the fab work, but when I come back, all of this is gonna be installed and fabbed up already. So just wanted to show you guys what it looked like raw before it's nice and done. All right, we are here with the red Supra again. Just got picked up from fab work. I haven't seen it. This is actually my first time. Oh, I've seen it already. First time I'm gonna share with you guys. Check it out. We got the 5-inch B band right here on top of the air filter. Let me put the light on here. We got the turbo outlet done. Try to save as much of the precision as we can, but you could barely see the P there, but you almost got it. But guys, you have to be there to make the angle straight down. Down here, no bumper cutting. Straight shot. And the intake side, he was able to clear the fitting over here on the overflow can. Straight, simple, just one cut, straight into the fender. Wall valve is connected. Perfect. So what's next is we're gonna take the intake off, pipes off, fuel rail. Everything here, so turbo cover and intake pipe is gonna stay polished, and we're doing the intake and all the little accessories in black. All right, guys, check it out. Here's the intake for Robert's car. Shout out to Ricky and the guys over there at Got Powder. Look how nice this thing came out, man. That gloss black it's really nice. So setup we're gonna go with. We left this raw or billet exposed. Powder coated the fuel rail, the plenum. Obviously the throttle body got powdered as well, and this is the adapter from Vibrant. And here are the check valve for the brake booster, 90 here straight, and the map sensor. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple, guys. All right, just wanted to show you guys before it's on the car. We are here at Lando's, last stop for this car for the wiring. We're getting out of the tow truck right now. Just finished that one over there. Real clean car. Yeah, I've been putting clips for this video probably for, I want to say, like a good 3 or 4 weeks now. I just haven't put it together, but it's been fab, wiring, and gotta get the goods. It's probably the most important part of the build. So, sir, think you need this?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna need this right here.
Thank
you so much.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another clip. We're here at Island Boy Wiring. check this out, guys. This car got dropped off about 10 days ago. He's been working on it for about a week, and the harness is done. So check this out. That's all we're pretty much gonna see. Look, check out that quick disconnect. Signature logo right there, Island Boy wiring. Feeds through the back. Loops down, and check out that harness, guys. All nicely tucked away. No cables. Everything you see here is just the end for the injectors once we put on the intake. That's the boot for the fuel pressure. You can't even see that there. Oil pressure. Nothing else. Even the AIT temp is under the apron, so you won't even see that. So literally all you're gonna see in this car is just that back there. That's it. Even these over here are nicely tucked under the alternator. They feed through the bottom of the oil pan, so you're not gonna see them. No cables up here. Yeah, this is gonna be a nice end result. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and install the intake manifold. Make sure we plug everything in and all right, check out the Motec in here. Again, all nicely wired. We're gonna make a nice bracket over here with the factory ECU cover. All right, Mr. Lando finished up the back here. Check it out before we cover it up, and it's all nice and tucked away. Batteries on. Cables are all nice tucked away. Remember, this is gonna go covered here, and then we got that nice mat to cover all up. And this is the plate here. Just gotta bolt it down. What else we got here? We couldn't get the car started, guys. We are waiting for the firmware for the Motec, and we don't have it, and the gentleman that has access to it, he's not available till Monday. Today's Saturday. Here it is. Intake is installed. All the injectors are done. Wiring is all done. Everything's done. So it's complete. All we're missing is pretty much just to turn it on. Mr. Lando over here. I never captured him on video, but this is
you did actually one time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is the scientist behind the wiring over here, guys. Again, I'm not exaggerating. This car was dropped off 10 days ago. Man's been working on it for a solid week.
Yep.
So whoever, I'll put my face on this one. Whoever says that wiring takes a crazy amount of time, yes, it does. But if you have it down to the right specs and you know what you're doing, you can get it done in a decent amount of time. So if you guys are looking for a harness for your Supra, I don't want to say GS because that one's a little more complicated, but anything Supra, right-hand drive, left-hand drive, you know.
Island Boys is the man.
Yeah, there you go. I don't even want to say it, but reach out to him. I'll link him down below on the video. His IG, and you guys could go from there. I have sent him a couple guys, and everybody's been happy. I have had super good feedback from him, and guys, I wouldn't recommend him if that wasn't the case. So, shout out to him. All right, so gonna close it out here, guys. There's not much more to do. Just pretty much start it up, and that's it. That's gonna be the end of it. So, I will see you guys in the next one. Probably will be the startup and probably the dyno, or maybe just to cruise around. Who knows? But yeah, the car has been, it's pretty much done already. There's nothing else left to do. Just ready to turn on and rip. All right. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later, guys.